everyone, we're back with a new video and this time it's going to be about how motors work. So we have a motor right here. This is what your motor basically looks like. So this motor over here doesn't have any electric current, but with this battery we can make this motor spin. So in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to put the battery properly and make the motor spin. So for this experiment, you obviously need a battery and motor. Gloves are optional too, if you touch the metal just in case you don't want to get hurt. Okay, so what you do is you take your battery, you put it in place. Positive goes with the red wire, negative goes with the black wire. That's basically the default way on how to do it. So you take it very carefully. That's basically how a motor spins. Now, I'm going to show you how a motor works and what are the parts inside of it. Looking at this diagram here, so we have a commutator, spring-loaded brushes, and armature and electromagnet, a shaft, 2 permanent magnets, and we also have 2 wires and a battery, shown here. Now I'm going to explain you the basic idea on how the motor moves. So, starting with the armature. We have the armature right here and the electromagnet and 2 permanent magnets. So what happens is once they receive electric current, this electromagnet starts becoming a magnet. So then the armature connects to the commutator, and this commutator over here, the polarities keep switching and switching. So this armature keeps spinning, which is connected to the shaft right here. So it keeps spinning in such a way that once you connect this to a wheel or a gear, it will keep spinning. But obviously for this you're going to need electric current, because without the electric current, in that way, the electromagnet cannot work. And that's basically how a motor works. You can record your observations with a pencil and paper. Okay, now, after that, once you're done, put these electronics, motors, and circuits, if you have them, away. So because you don't want any mess going in the way. Now, I'm going to explain you future ideas and videos we might be doing in the future. So what I'm thinking is to do a video on me showing you how LEDs work or fixing an LED circuit after that. Okay, and guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It really supports our channel and it means a lot to us. So when you like and subscribe, that basically means another video. So yeah, see you next time.